Hello guys, welcome once again. Have you ever tried fried green papaya with soya spice? This tastes very delicious with great aroma from the soya spice. First you want to wash your green papaya. Here I've gotten two of them. Please make sure your papaya are matured and green, just like this one. The seeds are still white inside. When the seed begins to turn black inside, which means the papaya is getting ready to be ripe. So I recommend that you use green papaya with white seeds inside. And after washing them and they become clean, next I'll begin to peel them. So I start by cutting both ends of the papaya. And next I'll cut the papaya into two. Then further cut them into strips. And after cutting them into strips, we go ahead to peel them. So I started by cutting off the flesh inside, cause this part of papaya has bitter taste, and then peel the back. And after peeling, transfer into a collecting bowl. Then repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And after peeling, this is how they look like. Next, I'll be cutting them into pawpaw sticks. This is totally optional as you can decide to cut yours into your desired shape. And after cutting them into pawpaw sticks, here we have them nicely cut. And next I'll set aside. Then bring in my pot, add some water to it, then take to the stove top and bring to a boil. And now that the water has started boiling, I'll be adding to it some salt and 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Stir together with a spatula, then I'll be going in with the papaya sticks. Stir together, cover and allow to boil for about 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes of cooking, here we have our papaya stick. I'll stir, then turn off the heat. And next I'll transfer it into a sieve to strain the water from it. And next I'll set aside and allow to cool down completely. And now that it is completely cool, I'll transfer them into a bowl. And to the boiled pawpaw stick, I'll be adding some little salt to it. And to it also, I'll be adding seasoning cube. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric to it. And lastly, I'll add to it some flour. And after adding all these ingredients to it, I'll mix together with a spatula. After mixing and it is well coated, next we begin to fry. Add some oil to a cooking pan and allow to heat up. And next add them to the preheated oil. Do not stir immediately. Allow to fry for about 5 minutes so that the ingredients used in coating them can remain intact. Fry on a medium heat and after 5 minutes, stir and once becomes golden brown, remove from the oil, Transfer into a collecting container lined with paper towel. After removing them from the oil, repeat the same process for the remaining ones. And after frying all of them, here we have it, fried green papaya ready. But to enjoy this, we are going to be adding one more ingredients to it. So I'll transfer them into a bowl. And next, I'll be adding my soya spice. If you want to learn how to make soya spice, please check the description box for the video link. And after adding the soya spice to it, flip together so that the soya spice can coat the pawpaw sticks. And here we have it, fried green papaya coated with soya spice. This tastes very delicious and can be enjoyed with any drink of your choice. Try this today and let me know how it came out for you in my comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more great recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.